feeling really sun-kissed, moisturized, glazed donut. Hey guys, it's your girl Monet Sharice and I am back with another video. So as you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be shaving my face to get rid of the dead skin, the extra hair, you know, all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is actually my first time shaving my face and I'm a little scared, you know. I never did this before and I really don't want to cut myself. Like, I've seen a lot of videos and people was like, you're supposed to shave at an angle, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then you see I got like a little pimple right there, but I'm gonna just skip over that part. I ain't gonna shave right there. So the first thing that you do is cleanse your face with whatever type of cleanser that you want to use. You already know your girl uses the Noxzema, and I have plenty of videos with me using this, so I'm just gonna speed past this part. So I'm back with my face all nice and clean. It honestly looks really good right now. I won't lie to you. Like, girl, look at this skin. Get into it. Get into it. Well, not right here, but get into it. So after cleansing your skin, you're supposed to use oil, because you're not supposed to shave your face when your skin is dry, or else. So I have some coconut oil. You can use any type of oil that you want. Like, I've seen a lot of people use olive oil, but it's really up to you on the type of oil that you would like to use. As long as your skin is not dry, then, you know, do you, boo. So I'm basically just making sure that I'm getting this oil everywhere. Yeah, my skin is not dry. I have my razors right here. I just have this pack of 2-pack of Revlon, and I also have these cotton rounds to wipe off the dirt because I don't have a napkin, and I feel like those work just as good. Like, you got to do what you got to do. Girl, why am I having a hard time opening this up? Oh, I got it. All right. So I think I'm gonna use the white one because, well, why not? All right. I got my razor. I don't know which side I want to start with. I'm gonna do this side or this side. I'm gonna do this side. And you're supposed to do it at an angle. So let's see. I'm actually really scared. I'm gonna start right here. Okay. Ooh, do you see that? Like right there. They look a little lighter. So I am done shaving my face, and now I'm just gonna use these cotton pads to get off all the extra oil And my face feels pretty good, to be honest. Like, I haven't even touched it yet with my fingers, but just rubbing it with these cotton pads, it feels like really smooth and soft. Like, how do you feel the softness from a pad? Please explain that to me. How? So right now I'm just gonna take some alcohol and use that as a toner because I don't have any witch hazel, and I'm gonna wipe my face down with the alcohol and then re-moisturize it with some more coconut oil. I'm gonna take some more coconut oil and I'm gonna re-moisturize my face all over again. Because what we don't want is dry skin. No ma'am. Our skin stays soft and moisturized. Look at your girl. Looking like a glazed donut. Okay. Okay. Hold on. There we go. There we go. But yeah, I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend shaving your face. Or if you don't trust yourself enough to do it, to go get it done. But I think I would definitely incorporate this into my skincare routine. I don't know how often I would do it, but I would definitely do it though. Like, look at me. I'm feeling really sun-kissed, moisturized, glazed donut like I just told you. But that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, let me know as well.